My second tutorial has to deal with your printer settings and your layout so that you can get your spread the size that you need it, and you can select the printer that you want to print to. You can start by going to this arrow on the right-hand side where it says Printer and click and drop that down. Now you can see here that R.E.D actually uses the drivers from each printer. And I'm going to go ahead and just choose one of these printers that I have here on my list. And I'm going to go ahead and select the Setup button. Now you can see that this is the driver screen for this printer. If your printer has a printer driver associated with it that you can access from File Print on any other program, you can use ImagePrint R.E.D to print. Click on the Properties button to open up your properties. And depending on the driver that you have, and depending on the OEM that you have, this might look a little bit different. This is the Epson SureColor T-Series 5700 driver, and we're going to go ahead and start out by setting up a custom paper size for our layout. I'm going to name the spread 24 by 36. And I'm going to specify 24 is my width and 36 is my height. And I'm going to hit Save. I hit OK. I'm going to hit OK again. And now I'm going to go back into my setup and I'm going to choose that size that I just saved. Once I do that, you will see the layout change over to a 24 by 36 from an 8.5 by 11. The second most important part of your printer setup is your settings for your print. That includes the media type you're using and the print quality that you want to print at. To change these, you can access your preferences or your properties for that specific printer. Inside the properties, you'll see an option to choose a specific paper type or to use whatever is on the printer's interface. The Epson that I'm using has an Acquire Info button that pulls the media type from the printer that I'm using, as well as the width of the media. You should also designate whether you're using roll or sheet for your material. For color settings, select the option that you prefer. Then also select the print quality level. For anything that is image-based, I usually go above the halfway point. And for anything that's just font-based, you can go at the halfway point or below. Click on OK, and OK again to save your printer settings.